excellency, responsibility, and excellency, please welcome to the committee at this quarterly of member session and level. The first professor and second professor, Mr. Dr. Rezain Committee and allow me to present the result of the research that I have conducted as a form of the academic responsibility in this distribution. I will explain the situation, background, key research method, findings, and conclusions. Next slide is research vision. Number one, what the experience of students using ChatGPT as a tool to learn English. This question explores how students use ChatGPT in learning English such as writing, grammar, and vocabulary, and how they feel about the experience. Number two, what are the challenges faced by students in using ChatGPT for English learning? These focus on difficulties like access, digital skills, and understanding ChatGPT's responses. Number three, students describe the impact of ChatGPT in their English language skill. This looks at how ChatGPT affects their English improvement, whether it's helped them write better, learn faster, and become more confident. Next slide is background. Technology development has transformed the education sector. Artificial intelligence (AI) allows more flexible and personalized learning. ChatGPT is the latest innovation that supports independent English learning. Indonesian digital learning increased access to education anytime and anywhere. Nowadays, technology is developed within the field of education. Many students are shifting from traditional learning methods to more flexible and independent approach. One of the most popular tools today is ChatGPT. It's an AI-based application that helps students improve their English by correcting grammar, expanding vocabulary, and providing instant feedback. I noticed that many students use ChatGPT to help them with assessment or to learn on their own without always relying on teacher. However, it also has some limitations, such as not being able to practice speaking in real time. That's what inspired me to conduct this research to explore how university students use ChatGPT as a software tool for motivating conversations. Next slide, novelty of the study. The study offers a unique perspective by exploring students' experience using ChatGPT for self-directed English learning. Unlike prior studies, it focuses on the challenge, adaptive strategies, and ChatGPT's contribution to learner motivation and autonomy, particularly in the context of hyper-education. Number one, challenge based. Number two, adaptive strategies used. Number three, ChatGPT's role in boosting motivation and autonomy. Next slide is research method. One, qualitative approach. This study adopts a qualitative research approach to explore the experience of students in using ChatGPT as a software tool for language acquisition. Number two, thematic analysis. Thematic analysis was used to identify major themes emerging from students' interview responses and reflection results. The process involves data coding, categorization, and interpretation of results. Number three, participant. English partner students at data assembly of Islamic universities learning from purposive sampling. Participants have prior English learning experience and are motivated to engage in the result directly using ChatGPT. Number four, data collection technique. This study employed data collection. This study employed data transmission by collecting insight from multiple sources, including students' interview responses and reflected results, to ensure the validity of findings. Next slide, findings. There are many findings. Number one, improve writing and grammar. Students use ChatGPT for grammar, improve flexible learning. ChatGPT allows self-paced learning anytime without classroom limitation. Number 5, support academic assignment. Many students use it for writing, summarizing, and evaluation in learning tasks. Number 6, talents identity. Lack of real-time speaking practice, over-reliance on AI responses, limited cultural or contextual understanding, difficulty for beginners interpreting complex responses. Number 7, strategies to overcome limitations. Using additional resources like dictionaries or YouTube, practicing with peers or native speakers, combining creativity with other AI tools. Conclusions. ChatGPT effectively support writing, grammar, and vocabulary improvement. Encourage flexible, self-directed English learning. Challenge include lack of speaking interaction and over-reliance. Best used when combined with other learning methods. ChatGPT is a helpful tool, but a full replacement for teachers. Thank you so much. Thank you for explanations.
Okay, thank you very much. That was that. Maybe it's one of the question.
How many participants involved in this article? How many participants?
10.
10.
Yes. From the
Specifically,
English to
okay, what day, what semester? Okay, you wrote here that the population of this study is 10 university students. You know the difference one between population, sample, sampling. What's the difference? So, how many samples do you use in this article? What? 3. So, the 3 people involved, but the second people, you say that sample is more specific, is less than population. So, what's the difference? One. Here, so in this university, only there are 10 people, 10 students. University is wider than sample. But in your data, in your article, the population is 10, and you ask 10 people to involve. Actually, it's not population, but sample. You get the point? Yeah, so what you get for this, for my statement? What's wrong? What's wrong with this article? What do you need to revise it? Apa yang dibutuhkan untuk merevise it? Yuk, sudah di-pause, sudah di-stop. Stop.